What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're gonna go over our friend Fantom, massive pump. We're just starting to see some pullback. We're sitting at 203, 204. We're down about 4% on the day. We're seeing a market cap of 5.14 billion. 24-hour volume. Wow, big increase. 891 million. It was about 400 or 500 million a couple days ago. If you're new to crypto.com, sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app. And you can grab one of the incredible Visa cards for cashback in crypto, free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives, depending on the level of card that you have. So let's get into Fantom, guys. So here's a perfect example of when a bearish divergence is invalidated. So we had a bearish divergence on the hourly as well as on the money flow. Price was rising while the relative strength and the money was flowing out, and then it spiked once again. So as I mentioned in previous videos, they can be invalidated. We continue to push higher. And finally, we're starting to see some sell-off. We're starting to come back down into healthy ranges on the money flow as well as on the RSI. So do watch the 55. Could see a little bit of a bounce here. So I've updated our buy zones for Fantom. First one's here at 186. As you can see here, it lines up with this level of support. Dollar cost average, 186, 172, 152, 136, 115. And then I have a kind of a fail safe down here at 59 cents. If you want access to these charts at all times, sign up to the Discord, guys, where it's updated regularly and sometimes updated before the videos. Or if I'm not making a video that day, they're always updated here in the Discord. Price of a coffee, 350 USD, equal amounts if you're leverage trading. Or sorry, guys, equal amounts if you're spot trading. Bring your average price down halfway each time. Double your margin if you're leverage trading. All right, guys. So you can see we're starting to come back down to the 20 EMA. There was a hidden bearish divergence. One of our members of our Discord posted it. So you can see here on the chart, we created a lower high. This is the daily, guys. And we create a higher high. Here's your high. Here's your higher high. It's called a hidden bearish divergence, and usually signals that you're going to see some sell-off. We pushed back above the 55 EMA as well. Just incredible. Look how juicy these candles are. Incredible pump for Fantom. There is one bearish pattern that we do have to keep an eye on, which is a head and shoulders. Here's your left shoulder. Here's your head, and a potential right shoulder could form. Bitcoin would have to shit the bed for this pattern to play out. We'd have to go through an absolutely massive correction, but it is something we have to keep an eye on. However, guys, if we can hold the EMAs, we have the bullish cross. I'll show you guys the last time we, I'll show you guys the last time we had the bullish cross right here, guys. Bullish cross on the daily, massive pump, like over 2,000%. Or sorry, guys, over 1,000%. 1,200% pump. So if we hold the EMAs, we have the bullish cross. We come up, we break this high, invalidating our head and shoulders pattern. Fantom's just gonna blow up. I mean, this project has so much bullish interest and people are sleeping on it. Highly recommend looking into this project. And if you're trading, if you're investing, incredible coin to be trading and to be investing in my opinion. All right, guys, so do watch the EMAs. You can see the 55 EMA lines up with our first buy zone at 186. So that may be where we retrace to, either that or what Fantom will do here. So we've broken out of our descending broadening wedge, which is bullish as well. We went through our ABC correction back above the EMAs, and we've had the bullish cross of the MACD. We just have to keep an eye on that head and shoulders. You can see we're hitting some resistance right at the 1.414, which is sitting at about $2.04. And our bull run targets for Fantom, the 2 extension at 592. And if we see Bitcoin to go to 100K and beyond, not promised, but if it does, I do see Fantom reaching 993 at least on this bull run. All right, guys. So that's basically it for Fantom. Dollar cost average buy zones, 186, 172, 152, 136, 115. And then our take profit zones, 233, 261, 297, 346. Not financial advice, guys. It's just for reference. Use your own discretion. You can buy whenever you want to buy. You can sell whenever you want to sell. It's just here for reference purposes. All right, guys. That is it for Fantom. If you want to trade with me, sign up to Bybit, guys. That's my favorite platform for leverage as well as spot trading. I have a full-length tutorial on how to trade with leverage, as well as $4,100 in bonuses for a limited time. Shout out to the Discord. Over 1,000 members. We're posting our chart patterns. We have the DCA charts, which I'm updating pretty much daily. And then we have over 1,000 members talking all things crypto. It's the price of a coffee, guys. You really can't beat it. You can sign up through the Patreon. All right, much love. Take care.